Okay, start.
Good morning, everyone. This is Riddhi Rutla, and I am here to speak in the favor of the topic that schools should teach students about life lessons and life skills instead of overdosing the amount of studies. I am saying so because only study cannot help a student live a nice life or live a classy life. There are many more factors that are important to build his or her character. So that's why it is important for the schools to prepare the students about many life skills like how to cook and how to manage their time, how to manage their stress, how to react on certain situations. Thank you.
Okay, so hello everyone. This is me, Bhumika Bohra, and my fellow classmate Ananya. So we are saying that school should not teach basic life lessons. This is because recently I was reading a book of a famous writer, Sudha Murthy. I am sure you know her. Yeah, so she said that life is like an exam where the question paper is not set and the questions and the syllabus is unknown. So, I would like to say that it is not essential that the life skills we learn in school might always help us in our lives. If we are going to school for a particular reason, that is studies and interacting with people, we should focus on that reason. Why? Because there are many online courses where we can learn by our individual studies and make these life lessons better. So, I believe these skills should not be learned in school but individually through online courses.
I agree with the fact that Bhumika just explained, but if all the students go for online courses, then they will not be able to react in real life. Like how when if you study from online courses that how to perform different life skills activity, basic skills like cooking and all, he would not be able to pursue it in the front of other people. So that's why these activities he should learn with his other classmates in school, so that if he does any mistakes in learning these, so that teacher can correct these and help him become more better.
So, Sirit, we, we have our parents at home. They can teach us life lessons, but some of their parents are uneducated. Like the earlier times, the education was not so strict. So, our parents can teach us as they are our first teacher. They can teach us our life lessons, but the schools are made for studies. We can't study those whose parents are not studied or uneducated. They can't let them study. So this is my point. What about you?
But many of the students have the parents whose both mother and father are working and they don't have much time to spend with their children and they cannot teach much life skills. And if the schools will teach, all the students will learn it and they will learn it together with the fun, with the help of the teacher. And if they are doing any mistake, the teacher can help them. If they are in cooking classes and in time management classes, the teacher can tell in real life that after going from school you can do like this, you can manage your time like this. And in cooking the teacher can really say, see, in cooking if the students are doing online, then how the teacher will say that you have did right or wrong, because the teacher can't taste your food. But in the school life, if their cooking sessions will be there, cooking classes will be there as life skills classes, so the teacher can tell you that how this should be done or how this should not be done.
Okay, beta, have a nice day. Good stop.
Okay, so I would like to answer the questions and the points that Priti and Anushka just put. So first of all, I would like to ask you a few questions. Is school comprised of only one or two students? So that means that a single teacher or even two or three teachers can't give focus to all the students. So we can say that all the students can't get equal attention and might not be able to understand things equally. Every student has a different level of understanding, and so online courses of these things can help them a lot. Through online courses, they can get interactive lessons by the teacher, because most of the teachers online take single 1:1 sessions, which is one student and one teacher at one time. This can help the students understand really well. So I believe that if one needs to learn life skills, this can be learned by themselves with their own responsibility at their homes. And Anushka, you just said that we can't taste our own food. Do you have food that your mom makes?
Do you eat the food your mom makes for you?
Yeah, I eat, but I want to explain that the teacher cannot help you by online courses.
What I mean to say is that when you cook food yourself and you eat and taste that yourself, your taste buds improve, and at the same time you get the fruit for your hard work. So I believe online courses of these things are much more important.
Bhumika, just finish that. Finish that. We change another topics.
So with this, I would like to conclude being on my point only that these courses should be learned online as they are a life skill that are very important and can be learned through interactive sessions online. Thank you.